In the evolving landscape of digital content, the distinction between static and dynamic assets delineates the prowess of a strategist. Whereas copy and imagery, the static forms, can be generated, iterated, and deployed with relative ease, video content traditionally stands as an adversarial frontier, marked by the expenditure of time, personnel, and resources. However, the ascendance of generative AI video tools fundamentally alters the equation, inviting a shift from the burdens of manual production to a model defined by speed, consistency, and strategic focus. Within this context, two platforms, HeyGen and Runway, serve as archetypes for modern video strategy. Each fulfills a distinct role within the architecture of the strategic sandwich, a conceptual framework designed to optimize both authority and atmosphere in on-brand storytelling. HeyGen operates as the architect of scalable persona. It empowers professionals to create digital avatars that replicate their facial movements, voice, and nuanced mannerisms. The initial investment is minimal. A 2-minute seed video acts as the data summit, from which proliferate endless scripted segments simply by uploading a text file. This mechanism is especially advantageous for high-frequency channels, such as social media series and timely educational content, where maintaining a visible presence is paramount, but daily live recordings would impose an intolerable drag on productivity. Through HeyGen, a strategist retains a human presence, the linchpin of authority bias, while delegating mundane or repetitive instruction to their digital likeness. Runway, by contrast, is the engine of visual atmosphere, specializing in the creation of cinematic B-roll using generative AI models, such as VO and Gen 3 Alpha. Runway opens a new spectrum of possibility. With a precise text or image prompt, creators summon any visual environment, be it a star-bathed nightscape for meditative content or a fluid montage of productive workspaces for business tutorials. The precision with which camera motion, color grading, and pacing can be adjusted ensures that every generated clip resonates with brand energy and viewer psychology. The utility of Runway is not solely in realism. It is the control and immediacy with which one can reinforce narrative, pacing, and dopamine-driven engagement. Nevertheless, the path to efficacious content is not paved with unchecked AI output. A strategic practitioner implements the hybrid production formula, represented as $H_P equals human/hook plus AI/education plus human/CTA $. The first 5 seconds, a self-recorded human hook, rapidly forges trust, signaling authenticity. The subsequent body employs HeyGen avatars or runway-generated visuals to deliver technical or instructional information, multiplying reach without spurring audience skepticism. The close, again routed to live human recording, amplifies the call to action with emotional resonance. This approach, when meticulously orchestrated, circumvents the so-called marketing shield, the audience's intuitive resistance to synthetic over-automation. The strategic imperative, therefore, is clear. AI video does not exist to substitute authenticity, but to amplify human presence where it is most effective, conserving energy for ideation, community engagement, and leadership. The time constraint imposed by conventional production yields to a new paradigm where a 10-minute educational module can be conceptualized, executed, and published in less than an hour. The lingering bottlenecks of lighting, retakes, and editing are decisively eliminated, transferring the locus of value creation from technical execution to originality, clarity, and strategic insight. As a high-earning strategist, your mandate is simple. Harness HeyGen to scale persona-driven authority without fatigue, and deploy Runway to generate immersive, contextually relevant atmospheres. Integrate these tools within the hybrid workflow, Let the boundaries of your content be set not by bandwidth, but by the inventiveness of your ideas.